Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm XiaoMing. Today we are going to cook a very tasty dish, green pepper fried meat. Ingredients we need are some green pepper, or green chili in this case, a small chunk of lean pork, some minced garlic. Now let's prepare all the ingredients. First, slice the meat into slices. Then peel them so it's easier to cut them into shreds. Then marinate the meat. We add 3 ml of dark soya sauce, 3 grams of starch. Mix well. And add around 3 ml of vegetable oil and mix again. This step is to give some flavor to the meat while keeping the juice inside. Put it aside for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can cut the pepper. Remove the stem and the seeds first, then cut it into small slices. Now let's stir fry them. Add around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil when the pan is hot. Then fry the meat to like medium well. Then put it aside. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil. The minced garlic. And put the green pepper into the pan. Fry it for around 2 minutes. Then put back the meat. Fry for another 1 minute. Then let's do the seasoning. Since we already marinated the meat, here we only need to add 2 grams of salt and 2 grams of sugar. Then mix well again. And then we are ready to serve.